Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem Vanillamace's new code on Dress to Impress. I did redeem it already, so the code is just Vanillamace, like her username. Okay, maybe it's in like caps lock. I already redeemed. Okay, so redeem it in caps lock like this, Vanillamace. And then this is the code item. It is super cute. And then you can choose if you'd like patterns or not here. It says default or no pattern. And you can even adjust it using accessory adjustments. And that is Vanillamace's code item. I'm very excited. I'm still excited about this collab. And hopefully they'll have more with Vanillamace in the future, although like they always get just like one code. For instance, like Queso got the kitty code. But yeah, that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.